Hello everyone, welcome to our demo of our HerStory game. We have created this game to raise the profile of female artists who have been majorly underrepresented in throughout history, and today they are majorly underrepresented in galleries and museums. We decided to use the Med API collection, Med Collections API for this, and we extracted the data using the ETL approach to get data for creating our game. So let's get to it. We run the game by clicking on the main.py file. And here it welcomes us to the game. It tells us the instructions. It tells us that we get to explore the works by all female artists. It tells us that we have to click on an image to pick which one was made earlier. And we can click on the title to see more information about the artwork. We get a point per correct answer, and we have 3 lives before the game ends. And if we get stuck, we can click on the I button to see these instructions again. So let's get to it. So as you can see here, we're presented with 2 artworks side by side, and we have to pick which one we think was made earlier. And I want to see more information about these artworks. So here I can click on the button of the title, and here it tells me the name of the artist, the culture, and the country. In some of these fields, Med API was not complete and the data was empty. So instead of presenting this as an empty field, we have replaced it with an unknown to give the user more information about why that field might be empty. So we can close on this button, and now I'm going to pick that this one was made earlier. That was not correct, not right, so I lose a life. And from these images, I'm going to pick that this one was made earlier. And I was right, so I get a score added up. And I'm going to pick that this one was made earlier. And I was right again. And I'm going to pick that this one was made earlier. And I was wrong, so I lose another life. And I will click on this now because I want to see the name of the artist, who is Jan Howlett. And I'm going to close this. And I'm going to remind myself of the game instructions again. So as you can see here, it tells me the instructions again. And I'm going to pick that this one was made earlier. And I was right, so I get another score added up. And I'm going to pick that this one was made earlier. I was right again. And I'm going to pick that this one was made earlier. I was correct again. As you can see in some of these fields, as you've seen in the image before, we get some X's. This is because some of these titles included dates. We have created a method for these dates to be replaced with X's. Similarly, as we replace the empty fields with an unknown. As you can see, we have also included Code First Go logo throughout the game and replaced the Tkinter icon with the Code First Go logo. I'm going to pick that this one earlier. That was correct again. And I'm going to pick that this one was made earlier. I was wrong, so I lose my last remaining life, and I get to the end of the game where it tells me that my final score was 6. So I can save a score, exit the game, or see the leadership board. So I'm going to go ahead and save my score. And I'm going to use a name that I've already used. Tell me that I've already used that name and I need to enter a different name. I press OK, and I pick a name that I haven't used before. And I press OK, and then I get to go to the leaderboard. And as you can see, here, my score, I'm the 3rd one in the leaderboard, and as you can see, it only shows us the top 10 of scores. So we have incorporated that into our game design, and it also sorts them from the highest score to the lowest. So as you can see, I'm the 2nd one now, and I'm gonna exit the game now. Thank you so much for watching.